how to use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can use Uber Cash on Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically use Uber Cash on Uber Eats, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Uber Eats application here. Once you launch the Uber Eats app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface here, as you would be able to find it, where you simply need to go ahead and then select your location first. And after you do that, what you can do from here is, after you select a location, let's say you want to go ahead and then basically use your Uber Cash. You've got a certain amount of, let's say, subscription type of thing where you should be able to go ahead and then find it. Now for that, what you need to do is, let me launch the Uber Eats application first. After you do this, what you have to do is tap the account icon from the bottom right, and here you'll find the option called wallet. So when you go to the wallet option over here, you'll find an option that says add payment method. So you have to add your Uber Cash as a payment method in order to use them on Uber Eats. Now normally you have like a credit card or debit card type of number. Once you select add payment method, you should be able to find that. If you have a certain amount of Uber Cash subscription, you should be able to find them and add them accordingly if you'd like. This way you'll be able to use Uber Cash on your Uber Eats. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.